The 14 points of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah presented in 1929 were the strategic response to the Nehru Report and aimed to safeguard the political, cultural and economical rights of Muslims of British India. As a detailed analysis of their impact on politics, number one, federal structure. Jinnah demand for a federal system which redistribute powers vested in the province was a legal safeguard against the central dominance and ensures the provincial autonomy. Number two, provincial autonomy, full autonomy for the provinces for the crucial for the protecting the rights of Muslim majority areas, preventing central interferences, representation of minority, ensuring the equitable and effective representation of minorities in every province without reducing the majority to minority was legal measure to protect the minority rights. Number of Muslim representatives. The demand for the at least one-third Muslim representative in the central legislature was to ensure the sufficient Muslim influence in legislative matter. Separate electorates. Continuation of separate electorates for the Muslims was a legal mechanism to ensure the political representation and prevent marginalization. Muslim majority provinces, any territory redistributed should not affect the Muslim majority provinces, Punjab, Bengal and WFP, protecting their demographic and political influence. Religious liberty. Full religious liberty for all the communities was a fundamental legal principle for ensuring freedom for worship and religious activities. Third, for majority, no bill or resolution should be passed if the third-fourth of the minority community considered it against their interests, providing a legal veto power to the protect minority rights. Separation of since separates from the Bombay Presidency was to ensure the better governance and the representations of Muslims addressing administrative and political concerns. Reforms in WFP and Balochistan, including reforms in WFP and Balochistan on the same footing as the other provinces, was a legal step towards equal treatment and development. Government services. Adequate shares for Muslims in all the services of the state and the local self-governing bodies was a legal measure to ensure the fair employment opportunities. Constitution amendment. Any future constitution should be amended only with the consent of the states constituting the Indian Federation, ensuring the legal protection against unilateral charges, protection of the Muslim culture, legal protection for the Muslim culture, education, language and the personal law was essential for preserving their identity. One-third of the representation for the Muslim in both central and the provinces cabinet was the legal guarantee for their participation in executive decision. Impact on politics. Number one, foundation of Pakistan. The 14 points led to the groundwork for the demand of a central Muslim state, eventually leading to the creation of Pakistan in 1947. Political mobilization. These points mobilized the Muslim community, leading to the increased political activism and support for All India Muslim League. Negotiation tools. 14 points served as a negotiation tool with the British and the Indian National Congress, highlighting the distant political and the cultural needs of the Muslim. Constitutional framework. The influence the constitutional framework of the Pakistan emphasized the federalism and the right of minorities and the provisional economy. Political identity. These points help in shaping the political identity of Muslims in India, distinguishing their political aspiration from those of the Hindu majority. Legislative influence. By demanding significant representation and separate electorate, the 14 points ensure the Muslim as a substantial influence in legislative process. These points were not just a response to immediate political changes but also a visionary framework for the future political landscape. Muslims in India. They highlighted Jinnah's legacy and strategic foresight in addressing complex socio-political issues of the time.